can you tell me what is force?
Yes, Nasir, force is a simple push or pull.
Was that the whole definition?
Yes, that's the whole definition.
Okay, no problem. In this video, we're gonna brief you about force and its effects. Everything exerts force in some or the other way to move, from a roller coaster to an aircraft flying up above in the sky. Now let's begin with the effects of force. The first effect of force is, a force can cause a stationary object to move.
So, this is an example of the same effect which you could relate.
Suppose this cart over here is a stationary football and that player over there would exert force to move it.
As you can see, the force exerted on the stationary cart caused it to move. Now, let's go to the next effect, and for that we need to get to the teleportation room. But Nasir, this is just a lonely island, isn't it?
No, it's not. Here I found a lever.
Oh, then what are you waiting for? Let's go inside.
Second effect of force states that a force can cause a moving object to stop. As you can see, the cart is moving and these blocks would act as a force to stop it.
So, the opposite force exerted on the cart while it struck the blocks caused it to stop.
That's how it happened. Now let's move to the next effect. And now we'll have to reach the top of this building using this elevator.
Third effect of force is that a force can cause an object to change its shape or to break.
Now remind, what happens when you start eating a cake? Every slice changes the shape of the cake and eventually the cake fades away. This was because of the force exerted by our hands on the cake, which caused it to change its shape.
Now, this is another example where we will use this axe to break the logs. Oh, my axe broke. Why that happened, Nasir?
The axe broke. This was because the logs also exerted force on the axe, which caused it to break after some time. Now, all the effects are done, so wait and watch what else we have for you in this video.
Nasir, I think we have to follow the path of light to reach to our next lab.
Yes, why not? Okay, so the lab is in the air. Here we will tell you about balanced and imbalanced force. This is an example of balanced force where the cards at the end would act as a force exerted on the object placed in the middle of the track.
The object didn't move because the exerted force by both the cards was equal and the net force was zero. In this, we could say that the forces were balanced.
Let's move to the imbalanced force. Imbalanced force is when the forces are not equal and the net force is gradually greater than zero and the objects move. Now let's see how it happens. So this was all from the video and hope now you're brief about effects of force and its applications in the real world. Thanks for watching.